S1E2. Let's see if we get it running today. Nice. We got the lower harness, engine harness. Let's see if she goes in. Still gotta put transmission brace bolts in. We still gotta get those. And then they'll be tilted more. But put on the wiring harness and then get those later. A lot of shit went back together. Still got more shit to do. We gotta situate the fuse box and the manual harness to the automatic fuse box, and gotta take off the power steering belt, AC, everything else, coolant hoses. That's it. Oh, the wiring harness. Headers on, motor mount, power steering, not connected yet. Intakes on, radiator. Just need the radiator hoses and the wiring. GG's. Not too bad.